How to maximize your HVAC system efficiency. Did you know your HVAC system could be wasting up to 30% more energy than it should? The good news, with the right maintenance and smart upgrades, you can lower bills, improve comfort, and extend your system's lifespan. Start with your air filter. A clogged filter forces your blower to work harder, raising costs. Swapping it out every 1 to 3 months can instantly improve airflow and efficiency. Use a smart thermostat. Programmable or Wi-Fi-enabled thermostats optimize heating and cooling schedules, cutting energy use by up to 12% a year. Keep your coils clean and refrigerant levels correct. Dirty coils and low refrigerant strain your compressor and reduce performance. Professional coil cleaning restores efficiency and protects your system. Don't forget your ducts. Leaky or uninsulated ductwork can waste up to 25% of conditioned air before it reaches your rooms. Sealing and insulating ducts ensures consistent comfort while lowering energy loss. Regular tune-ups are essential. Seasonal maintenance includes filter replacement, coil cleaning, thermostat calibration, and refrigerant checks. These simple steps can restore up to 15% of lost efficiency and prevent costly breakdowns. If you notice uneven temperatures, strange noises, or rising utility bills, it's time to call the professionals. Complex issues like refrigerant recharging, duct sealing, and electrical diagnostics require certified expertise. At Liberty HVAC, we help homeowners across New York unlock peak efficiency with expert maintenance and energy-saving upgrades. From preventive tune-ups to duct sealing and smart thermostat installs, we've got you covered. Schedule your free evaluation today with Liberty HVACR and start saving up to 20% on your energy bills while enjoying year-round comfort.